Hello everyone, my name is Antarpreet Singh. I am a global citizen. I come from the practice field of management. I have 36 years of experience. For the last 3 years I have entered into management education. I held global leadership positions with top technology companies in the world. I was director of R&D for US networks with Lucent AT&T, which became Alcatel-Lucent. Later I was positioned as director and head of India and SAARC for Alcatel-Lucent University, which had a very large footprint of employees, customers and channel partners. And later I moved to Asia Pacific head position with the responsibility for 24 countries. Later I also set up Geo University, which has a massive footprint of employees as well as business partners. I also had a role in helping set up a Flipkart e-commerce academy as senior director and dean. 2018 I moved from industry to education with Indian School of Business as director digital learning. I have been teaching since 2018, although I have been very passionate about teaching right from the day I started my career. I teach in many areas. My major specialization is digital HR. I am doing my PhD from IIM Indore in OB and HR areas. I am a guest faculty with MDI Gurgaon with the 4 in Delhi. I am an adjunct faculty with MIT University. I am teaching 2 5-credit courses. I got an opportunity to teach a compulsory course in artificial intelligence and machine learning for business managers with the Global Institute of Business Studies, GIBS as it is popularly called. It is one of the finest business schools in this part of the country and has consistently improved its rankings. It has national and international accreditations and global licenses. A very dynamic leadership team led by Mr. Ritesh Goyal, Dr. Aparna Rao, Professor Lakshmi, and then there are other faculty members and the leadership team. I had an opportunity to interact with students who are full of ideas. I see a huge opportunity for GIBS to foray into executive education, also launch more programs, more academic programs. It's a beautiful campus. I have stayed in this campus for last 1 week. And more than the physical infrastructure, I like the vibrancy in the environment and the dynamism of leadership and the excitement and enthusiasm among students. I wish GIBS all the very best, and I do hope whatever I can contribute to the growth of the school, I will continue. And last but not the least and equally important is my best wishes for the career growth of students. And I have been telling them that AI will now no longer be an option, it's a mandatory. So I compliment the school for having decided to make this as a compulsory course. So all the very best to GIBS School, management, leadership, management, faculty, staff and everyone. Thank you very much.